so we can fly high until the end of our life.